In this video, I'm going to show you how to change laptop password. So the first thing you want to do is go down here to the search bar or to the Windows logo to the start menu and then look for settings. And you want to open up settings, and then over here inside settings, you want to navigate to the accounts tab. Once you're in here, you want to click accounts, of course, scroll down and look for sign in options. In here, you want to click sign in options and look for password. Click on it, and then it should say you're all set up and change. Now, if you want to change the laptop password, that's where you do it. You want to click change, and then you want to put in your current password and press next. Then you want to put in your new password and confirm the password, so just retype it again. And then you want to put in a password hint. So let's say my dog's name or something, okay? Name, excuse me, there we go. And then once you've done that, you want to click next yet again. And then it says change your password. Next time you sign in, use your new password. And that's it. You want to press finish, and you've successfully changed your laptop password.